Welcome, viewers. So, this is the third episode of this amazing game building series. And now, in this tutorial, we will see how to import assets from Unity Asset Store. And so, basically, our game needs some 3D models or assets. And right now, I will import these assets from Unity Asset Store. And you can create your own assets also from using Blender. But our main focus is game building, so I will use those assets which are already made by someone, and these assets will enhance our game because it will look more realistic. And we will import two assets over here. First one will be the 3D player or character, and the other one will be the coin. So our player will move on a ground plane surface and collect all those coins. Basically, coins will be falling from a height, so our player will try to collect those coins before they touch the ground surface. And later you will get this thing more clear as we will proceed further in this series. Now, without wasting time, let's start. Now I will go to asset store, and here you can see asset store option is listed over here. But if this option is not present in your case, then you can simply go to window and select asset store from here. And now we will search for the assets. First asset will be our 3D character. Now here you can see we have plenty of options. So now first of all I will sort them low to high, because I will be using those which are free only, and this one is good, so I will use this. Now you have to just click on this download, and then in this way you can import any assets from the asset store. You can simply go to search and bar and then search whatever you need, and then just download it, and then after that you can simply import them in your Unity directly from this asset store to your Unity assets folder. Now wait for a while. So now you can see after importing this asset, this folder is downloaded in this assets folder. And now you can go to prefabs, and here you can see we have our 3D model which we will be using in our game. So basically I will be using this 3D model in our game scene. First of all, save this scene, and now I will import my asset in this scene. Now you can see that this 3D model this player is too small, so we will scale it a bit. I think 6 will be fine. Now it seems to be good. Now save this. In the same way we will import the coin assets. Now again go to asset store and search for the coin. So now you can see that it is too easy to import any asset from the asset store. Whenever you need any asset, you can simply go to asset store and download it and import in your project. And I think it is a very convenient way. So in this way you can make your game look good also, and it seems to be more realistic. I think this one is the fine. If you have any doubt in this video or any of the video, you can ask me in the comment section. Now I will download it. So one more thing, if you want to explore more about your asset before downloading it, so you can directly go to description and see and read more about your assets. And you can also go to package content and see what folders, what files will be available to you. And now we have downloaded it, so now we will import. Now you can see that the other asset is also downloaded, this coin asset. Now I will go to this golden coin, and here you can see we have our coin asset. This coin asset is also too small, so we will scale up it. Now I think it is fine. It is visible, or you can increase it more. Save it. Now you must have understood how to import assets from asset store, and you can also create your own assets, and then you can also import them. And now we will proceed further in the series. In next tutorial we will learn how to call these UI buttons R, L, F and B so that our player will start moving, and we will write some code so that our player will start moving whenever we tap on this UI button. And if you have any doubt, you want to ask anything, you can ask. One more thing I want to edit before signing off. We can import a plane. This will be the ground surface in our game on which our player will move. So now I will scale it. Now it seems to be good, and now everything is fine. And in next tutorial we will learn more about UI buttons, and we will write some code. And hope you like my video, and please share our channel, subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and thanks for watching.